everyone, welcome to my video. My name is Dhien Syifa with student number 61. I'm from English Education Department, Jenderal Sudirman University. Okay, in this video, I will explain the material about minimal pairs, but it will be specified in final consonant sounds. Before we go to final consonant sound, we have to know what is minimal pair. So, here is the answer.
A minimal pair is a pair of words that differ in a single phoneme. Minimal pairs are often used to show that two sounds contrast in a language, like the f and v in fan and van. Minimal pairs have different meanings and pronounce the same except for one sound. Remember, just for one sound. After we know what minimal pair is, now we will focus on one kind of minimal pairs named final consonant sounds. Here we go!
Here are some examples of final consonant sound in minimal pairs. Alright, so for the minimal pair final k and g in back, bag. For the minimal pair final and n in am, and minimal pair final t and d in hat, hat. Minimal pair final s and z in bus, buzz. Then we also have other examples of final consonant sound in minimal pairs. Here are the minimal pair final n and in thin, thin. Minimal pair final and in think, thing. Minimal pair final j and g in edge, edgy. And for the last one, minimal pair final ch and chi in catch, catchy. Okay, I think that's all for me for the explanation of final consonant sound in minimal pairs. I'm sorry if I made some mistakes. And thank you very much for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you then.